Welcome to today's tutorial. Okay, in case you don't know, this is online money machine. Yeah, so you're welcome to the class today, and I hope you know why you're here. Yeah, in today's class, we are going to introduce the course in general. Okay, we're going to talk about the creation. Because the first thing we're talking about today is how to create, and we're going to go through 3 modules. Okay, it's going to be a series of 3 different main elements that you need to start creating your course. So the first one is what we are here for, which is the first class. Okay, so please, for those who have paid for the course, you're welcome, and trust me, you're going to enjoy the class. Yeah, so now we are living an information age, right? What you know is something that other people wants to know. Take it or leave it. Yes, whatever you know, you're a tailor, you are a barber, you're a cook, you're a graphic designer, you're a music producer, whatever you know, as long as it's a skill that you can do by yourself, it is something that people can pay to learn. So that is the essence of this course. Okay, so that is it. So number 1 is that you need some tools, okay, to start creating your course. Okay, I'm going to mention a few of those tools that you need so that you can start creating your course. Number 1 is that it depends on the kind of course you want to create. Okay, majorly if you're creating an online course, something that has to do with an online, you will be needing a laptop. That's the first thing you need. Okay, you will also be needing a camera if it is not a course that has to be done online. And when I'm talking about camera, I'm not talking about big cameras like Canon or Red or anything. I'm talking about cameras that can capture what you're doing, right? Now we have big phones, Android phones, smartphones that can do this job perfectly well without stress. Okay, so if you don't have a camera, you don't have to worry about it. As long as you have a phone that can make a video, a clean video, then you can make a good course from that. Yes, so that's the first thing you need. The second thing you need if you are doing an online course is a microphone. Yes, that's what they call laptop mic. Okay, computer mics. They are very cheap. You can get them for as low as 5,000 naira or even low. They have different types. When you plug it in your system, now it makes your sound to be very, very audible and neat. Do you understand? So these things is needed when you are doing an online course. But if you're not doing an online course, all you need is your camera. Yes, I repeat, all you need is your camera, maybe your phone camera, or if you have a camera, then you can use it. Yes. So when you get all these tools, then you are good to go. So the second thing you need if you are doing an online course is called Obs Studio. Yes, I'm going to be displaying Obs Studio and how it works in this screen. So I'm going to be analyzing this course on this screen, so you can be seeing everything I am doing the way it is. I'll be showing you the computer, everything the way it looks like, right? So that you can follow the step-by-step guide, so that you will not make a mistake. This is the first series, and it's for creating. So when you create, then you host, then you market. So we are dealing with creation now. Then you go on Google. Okay, go to Google, you type in OBS Studio. OBS Studio. It will pop up. It is only for computers. OBS Studio is only for computers. You don't use it on phones. It's for laptops and desktops. So when you get OBS Studio, what is OBS Studio? OBS Studio is a software that allows you to record your screen. Okay, like record whatever you're trying to teach somebody. You are recording it on your screen, like on your laptop screen or your desktop screen, no phones, right? So you're going to download OBS Studio. Once you download OBS Studio, you install it on your system. You go to the settings and set the audio. Make sure everything is matched with your laptop. So you know your mic and you know your system, everything about your system. You know it. It will show you OBS Studio is for Mac, for Windows, for Linux, and all those software, so all those computers. Do you understand? So when you install it, and set it properly, then you can use it to record your screen. Okay, record your computer screen so that anything you are doing on your computer will be recorded on OBS Studio, so you can edit the video, or if you don't know how to edit, you can give it to somebody to edit for you, or you can just use it that way and put it together and and make a video of what you are trying to teach somebody. Okay, so I'm going to be showing everything on this place so that you will understand exactly how you can create it. Now let me use for instance you are a barber, right? Or let's say you are a cook, or you're a baker, you bake something. Now, how do you do your course? How do you teach people online? How do you create an online course out of a physical product? This is where you have to use your camera. I told you about it. It's a physical product. It's a physical thing you're doing. So you have to get a camera that you can use to capture and teach. And what you need is maybe get someone to use your phone. But you have to be good at what you do. Trust me, you must be good at what you do. You must know exactly what you do, so that you can explain it to people, right? Yeah, if you cannot teach, what is teaching? Teaching is about explaining things to people. Explanation, telling people what they don't understand and what they need to do. That's what teaching is about. That's what the course creation is about, and that's what tutorials are all about. So when you teach people, you are going to be talking about showing them exactly with your camera. Somebody will be videoing what you're doing. Maybe you are cooking, you're showing them this is how to mix this is how to mix that. If you do this like this, you do this way, it's being recorded, right? On your phone or your cameras. Yeah. So it's being recorded. That's a different thing from an online course. What is an online course? Maybe you're teaching someone how to do graphic design, for instance. You don't need your phone, you don't need a camera. What you need is an OBS Studio, because you have a laptop already. So all you have to do is open up your software, the two softwares you are going to be using, which is OBS Studio and maybe Photoshop or whatever you're using to teach. Two of them is all you need to start creating the course there. So when you open up the OBS Studio, recording your screen while you are now talking and you're explaining this. Anything you are pressing on your system, anything you're typing, anything you're doing, you are explaining it to your students so that they can implement the same thing when they are on their system, right? So it is different. A physical product and online course is different, but you can both of them are sellable and both of them are acceptable. So if you make a video and show people how to bake a cake and put it price for 5,000 or for 10,000, people will buy it, because some people wants to learn how to bake a cake. And if they go for physical training, they're going to pay about 150,000 or more, right? So you put it as 5K or for 10K, people will rush it. And when they see the videos, they can replay it over and over again, which makes it easier for them to understand exactly what you're trying to teach them. Yes. So when you have a camera on your phone, you have an asset. Don't look at it because you want to snap pictures, you want to make a video and show people that you're living good while nothing is happening. So those things are tools. Like, understand what I'm saying? So when you make those videos, you compare them section by section. Whatever you're teaching, let it be specific. When you are teaching anything, let it be specific. Just like I'm telling you now, what we are talking about in this particular video is creating the course, right? You are creating it with your phone, your camera, your mic, your laptop, OBS Studio. That's it. Yes. So when you create a course, now you have made all those videos. Yes, you have made all those videos. You go through it and watch it yourself and see if it's something that people will really understand, right? If it's something that they really understand, you have to be proud of your own ideas. You understand? When you watch something that is good, you know. So when you watch something that is nice, you know, this guy really tried. He explained these things very well, and we understand it. That is the only way you will keep retaining your students, because next time you create another course and they want to get involved because the one they did was perfect, right? So it is as simple as that. This course is going to be maybe 30 minutes or 40 minutes maximum. It's going to be 3 series of videos. This is just one of it. There's another one coming, which is how to host your course. And the last one is how to market your course. And we are coming to all that, okay? So this is how it goes. It is as simple as that. Some people think as making a course is as hard as anything. But the issue that you need all those ideas, all those experience, all those tools that you don't know. Just like that's what I'm telling you now, OBS Studio, this and that. You need all those things to be able to create a sellable course, so that when people look at what you do, they know that yes, you tried. You put in work for this thing to come out the way it is. Do you get? So that is the first move. That is the first start for creating a course, an online course. Trust me, whether you use your phone, camera, whatever you're using, your OBS Studio, your laptop, whatever you're using, the main goal is to get those things, those files online. Yes, that is where someone from Ghana, someone from Cameroon, someone from Abuja, someone from wherever they are can access it and learn from far. They don't need to be around you. They don't need to come for a physical class. They can learn from anywhere they are in the world. You understand what I'm saying? So once you can create the course, let's say for instance you have created a course now. We are coming to the next class to let you know exactly how you can host that course without having to pay any money. Okay? Because when I told you can create a course without me telling you, it is true. I'm going to show you exactly how you're going to host the course, and then it's now a market that you can sell. Do you understand? Because once it's already hosted, it is now a link that you can now share, you can now promote, you can now do advertisement for people to purchase. Do you understand? So that's how it is. This is our first class. It is not supposed to be longer than 10 minutes. Yes, but if it's above 10 minutes, please, I'm sorry. And I'm going to see you in the next class. Okay? Be a good student, and God bless you.